Hey guys, my name is Nisha and today I have brought 12 ways to agree. Number 1 is, I could not agree more. Number 2, we are on the same page. Number 3, we are in agreement. Number 4, we are of the same mind. Number 5, I think so. Number 6, exactly. Number 7, absolutely. Number 8, fair enough. Number 9, so very true. Number 10, certainly is. Number 11, yes indeed. And number 12, let me see. Well, I hope guys these 12 points to agree will definitely help in your daily conversation. If you really like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then do it quickly because I am coming with a series of videos very soon that will help you to learn communication fluently and efficiently. So I'll meet you very soon. Till then, bye-bye and take care.